Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen background in After Effects using the Keylight plugin. It's super easy, so let's jump right in. First, open After Effects, then import your green screen footage and create a new composition by dragging it into the project panel and place it on the timeline. Now, go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Keylight. You'll find it under Keying, Keylight. In the Effect Controls panel, look for the option that says Screen Color. Click the eyedropper tool, then click on a green area of your background in the preview window. You'll see the background disappear instantly. To clean things up, scroll down to the Screen Matte section. Click the drop-down and enable the Clip Black and Clip White sliders. Adjust them slowly until your subject looks clean and sharp. Use the Screen Shrink/Grow and Screen Softness to smooth out the edges if needed. Want to add a new background? Just drag an image or video underneath your keyed footage on the timeline. Now your subject appears in a completely different scene. And that's it. You've successfully removed the green screen using Keylight in After Effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more. If you have any questions or want to see more After Effects tips, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.